Good evening, everyone. I'm Dr. Yusuf Tawfiq. I'm thrilled to be here to share my journey as a clinical psychologist. It's hard to believe just a decade ago, I was sitting where you are now, full of questions and aspirations. And today, I'd like to take you through my path from early days at Valencia College to my current role at Sunshine Mental Health Center um, here in Orlando, Florida. Let's start with the foundation of my journey, my personal purpose statement. My purpose is to empower individuals to overcome mental health challenges and achieve emotional well being through compassionate understanding and evidence based practices that suits each person and to each of their diagnoses as well. This statement isn't just a collection of words, it's honestly the driving force behind everything I do. The rationale behind this purpose statement stems from my own experience and observations. Growing up, I personally experienced countless anxiety at times, like social anxiety, anxiety by myself. Yeah. But worst of all, or maybe best of all, depends on how you perceive it and how you look at it. I got diagnosed bipolar when I just turned 19. And I just went through a lot of different manic and depressive episodes. And I saw firsthand how the wrong treatment for a patient can really deter the quality of life. Yet the proper mental health support with the right treatment can really transform lives to the best it can be. Um, this experience ignited a passion in me to be part of that transformative process for others, truly. And it all started within just figuring out myself, and I really want to be able to help out people who experience similar things in a way. My purpose statement is deeply connected to my core values, interests, and strength, which I discovered through various assessments during my time at Valencia. My top two career interests were social and behavioral, which align perfectly with the field of clinical psychology. My strength, as identified by the Clifton Strength Finder, include positivity, adaptability, empathy, and learner. And these strengths really help me, enable me to connect with my clients or patients on an emotional level while also approaching their challenges with a scientific mindset. The purpose statement was instrumental in helping me choose my career. It guided me towards a profession where I could directly impact people's lives, assist them with their problems while finding solutions, and most importantly, to continually learn and grow. Clinical psychology merges the perfect fit, allowing me to fulfill my purpose every single day. Now, let me take you through my academic pathway. I began my journey at Valencia College, where I pursued an Associate's of Arts, or AA, in psychology. The supportive environment in Valencia was crucial in laying my foundation for future successes. I utilized numerous resources there, including the Career Center, which helped me explore different psychology specializations, and the Academic Advising Office, which really guided me in creating a solid education plan. One particular course that stands out, I know it seems basic, but really it's Introduction to Psychology. That's when I first got introduced to it, and when I first learned about all the different psych approaches. And this course really confirmed my passion for clinical work and helped my future career goals. The full circle moment right there. After graduating Valencia from 2024, I transferred to the University of Central Florida to complete my Bachelor's of Science in Psychology. The transition was pretty smooth, honestly. It was really thanks to Valencia. They really helped me prepare for it. And in terms of finances, my associate degrees was not too much, approximately $6,000, which I covered through a combination of FAFSA, like Florida Student Assistant grants and part-time work. My bachelor's degree, however, cost around $25,000, which I funded through federal loans and money I had saved while working. So it worked out pretty well. And after my bachelor's, I was accepted into the PhD program, Clinical Psychology, at the University of Miami. And Miami has always been a city I wanted to go. has been an amazing university, so getting accepted there was just phenomenal, really. This program, which included both academic coursework and practical training, cost approximately $150,000. And I funded this through a combination of student loans, research assistantships, and some donations from my parents, and some donation from my savings as well. And after completing my PhD, my career pathway involved several crucial steps. First, I completed a year-long doctoral internship at Miami General Hospital, to the behavioral aspect of it. So I would always see patients regarding behavioral, mental health in a way. And there, I really gained invaluable experience working with diverse populations and various mental health issues. Next, I completed 2 years of postdoctoral supervised practice at the Orlando VA Medical Center, specializing in trauma and PTSD treatment. During this time, I also prepared for and passed examination for professional practice in psychology, which is sort for EPPPP, and which is actually required for licensure. So yeah, it was some studying, but um, got definitely helped me do that, succeed. Yeah, and then after obtaining my state license as a clinical psychologist, I began working where I work now at Sunshine Mental Health Center, where I've been for the past 5 years, really. And now let me give you a detailed description of what I do as a clinical psychologist, my day to day, as you might say. My days are diverse and challenging, but incredibly rewarding at the end of the day. I conduct individual therapy sessions, perform psychological assessment, develop treatment plans, and collaborate with other healthcare professionals to provide comprehensive care for my clients. And we kind of like brainstorm together and come up with the best treatment plan. I work with a wide range of mental health issues, from anxiety to depression to more severe conditions like bipolar disorder and schizophrenia. I use various evidence based therapeutics approaches, including but not limited to cognitive behavioral therapy, dialectal behavioral therapy, EMDR, which is for trauma treatment, and the controversial psychedelic therapy. It's doing wonders at this time of year, for sure. And a significant part of my job involves staying up to date with the latest psychology and mental health research. I regularly attend conferences. We head out to Vegas. It's really nice. We go on workshops to really essentially provide my patients with the most effective cutting edge treatments. Um, several critical workforce skills are essential to succeed in this field. First and foremost is empathy. The ability to understand and share the feelings of others is as important as any other skill, really, is the most one. Equally important are strong communication skills for interacting with patients and collaborating with colleagues, for sure. But a mix of empathy with communication, you can really understand the patient in front of you and be able to assist them truly. Critical thinking and problem solving skills are crucial for developing effective treatment plans. Time management and organizations are vital. I lack that, but I try my best and really stay on my stuff and doing what I have to do. And as often as we juggle multiple clients and responsibilities, lastly, emotional stability and self care are essential in this usually emotionally demanding career. Before you can help anybody else or be able to help somebody else, you have to be in a state where you're already happy, or you're already taking care of yourself so you can take care of other people, for sure. And as I reflect on my journey, I'm really grateful for the challenges that have shaped me and the rewards that come with this profession. Every day, I see my purpose statement come to life as I help individuals overcome their struggles and achieve better mental health. To those of you considering a career in psychology, I definitely recommend and I encourage you to reflect deeply on your purpose. Let it guide your decisions, fuel your passion. The path may be challenging, but the opportunity to make a real difference in people's lives make it worthwhile. Thank you for allowing me to share my story with you today. And remember, I leave in a quote from the words of Carl Jung, a phenomenal psychologist. The privilege of a lifetime is to become who you truly are. Embrace your purpose, pursue your passion, and you'll find your path to a fulfilling career. Thank you so much for listening.